Okay. Today is Sunday, July 5th, 2026. We're at the location 3808 Colonial Avenue. We are doing camera reinspection after the cleaning and also replacement of the building drain from this front of the doorway inside through this garage to the about a foot up to the stack in the back of this garage. We pushed out the camera all the way to the MSD main there in front of us, which you see, and we're also running some water because my lens gets dark and blurry, and we're unable to see much, so I'm gonna run the water while I'm doing this. As we pull in it back, we'll just clean this line again. This main is located in the street in front of this driveway, common driveway for these two houses. This is the existing 6-inch clay line. Previously had the roots, now like most of these roots are gone. Just a cut of roots there. And I'm going to go ahead and turn this water off, get it a little better. So pull this back. There's some loose roots. They need to be rinsed out. Right there. And debris. There's a few chunks of gravel, but this is where it was because it fell into this trap. We raised this riser to the trap. Closer to the trap. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and turn this around now and go inside, inspect the line inside. Trying to navigate this cable backwards. Alright. Now that's in. Going towards the inside. Okay, this is where we ended our replacement. That's about a foot up from the floor, up to the stack. I'm going to go ahead and pull this back slower. See this replacement. This is where we ended, right here. This is just outside of this double door that goes into this, it will look like a garage. And then it comes around, and another turn here, and then it comes to in a strap here. Also, the riser of the strap was lowered down, so we raised this with this weight pipe. And that would conclude this inspection.